Hey everyone, MazeBeam here. Welcome back to another video here on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a free profile picture. Now this could be for anything. It could be for YouTube. It could be for basically anything. So yeah. Now this will be more based on YouTube, but basically it could be anything, as I said before. Now I did upload a video like this almost a year ago, I think. Okay, 9 months ago, right up here, as you can see, how to create a YouTube channel profile picture. Now, the problem with this was that it wasn't free. You got to pay for Procreate. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a free method. And this will kind of be continuing the YouTube series. Not really, because, it's for pretty much anything. But it's kind of continuing the YouTube series. So, yeah, guys. Let's get started with the video. So first of all, you want to go ahead and head to Google Drawings, and the link for that is drawings.google.com, and you should be brought to a page that looks like this. I know it looks complicated, but not really. It's kind of simple. But I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do all of this. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and click File. And then you want to go ahead and click Page Setup, just like that. You want to click Custom. I want to change this to pixels. And you want to do 800 by 800. So right up here, 800 by 800 pixels. And click the Apply button right up here. And as you can see, now we have a perfect square for a thumbnail. For a profile picture. Now, for me, as you can see on my YouTube videos, I usually like to add my profile picture on the bottom left corner of my thumbnail. And as you can see, it's kind of rounded. It has rounded edges. And if you have like a website or something and you want to add a rounded logo or a profile picture, well, yeah, basically, I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be adding a rounded profile picture. So how can you make it rounded, right? It's literally a square right up here. So you actually want to go ahead and click Shapes. You want to go click this icon, click Shapes, and then you want to go ahead and click this, which is the rounded rectangle. And you want to click that. And then as you can see, our cursor is now like this. Just drag it anything you like, and then you can go ahead and just do this. You can resize it to make it a square, just like that. At least that's how I do it. So yeah, I'm gonna move this to the side to match it perfectly, like that, and that's pretty good. So now you might think that to yourself, wow, this is so ugly. How can you change the colors? Well, I want to select that. And you want to go ahead and go to this right up here, fill color. And I'm going to be going ahead and changing it. So I want to make it yellow, but that yellow is too bright. This yellow, it's not even yellow. This one, kind of bad as well. So I can go ahead and actually create a custom yellow. So it's going to be based on this one, so I'm going to click this. And I'm going to make it sort of like this yellow. I like that. And let's click OK. That yellow looks pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and click this. This is border. As you can see, we have this ugly border around it. Click transparent. Bam, it's gone. So as you can see, there are grids over here. This is actually just made this transparent, which is a really nice touch, if you're wondering. But yeah. So after this, we can now have the base of a profile picture. And now we can add stuff on it. So I forgot to name this. Sorry, guys. Profile picture. Profile picture. I'm just going to go click that. I'm going to just name it that. And as you can see, we have this, and now we can go ahead and click text box. So I like to add text because I like this simple design. You can also add images, and I'll show you guys how you can do it later. So I'm going to click text box right over here. And I'm just going to click on the screen just like that. Now we have a text box. So I think I'm going to change the font to Impact. And my thing is going to be called Aaron Expertise, because if you still remember, and if you watched my previous video on how to do this on Procreate, I called it Arrow Expertise. So that's not gonna change in this video. So I'm gonna add an A, cause why not? And I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna change the font size to 400. I think that's the max. Let's try this. Yeah, the max size is 400. So I'm gonna change this thing as well to middle. Oh, it's already middle. There we go. That looks a bit better. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this A in the middle of a profile picture. So that's why we have these like red lines over here. This is to help you center it. So you can see right over here. Now once those two cross, that's it. So that means now it's centered, as you can see. So I want to make it look even cooler. So I can go here and click Format Options. I can go ahead and click Drop Shadow. As you can see now, I have like a shadow over there, but it's not really good. So I'm going to change it to white. As you can see, I'm going to make the distance a little bit more. And that actually looks really cool. It looks like a glow around it. That's pretty cool. Now for the background, let's again make it look cool. I'm not going to change that for now. As you can see now, we have like a shadow over there. Now we're going to put this a bit higher up. Like that. There we go. I mean, that looks pretty good. It's still a little bit out of the canvas, but that is totally fine. That looks really good. So that is the first part of it. Now for the second part, I'm going to show you guys how to create an image. So, sorry A, you gotta go today. I'm going to delete this A, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make images. I like to use shapes to create images. And if for A, I guess I'll use a pie. Now, you can create it like however you want. That's actually pretty bad, so I'm going to restart shapes pie. Now, if you want a perfect shape, you want to go click Shift on your keyboard. And now as you can see, however I do this, it's a perfect pie. If you don't click it, as you can see, you can do all that. So you got to click it, and now it's good. So now I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color to, okay, this time I'm going to go with like a different theme. So it's the same, but I'm going to go to Format Options, create a drop shadow. I know it's hard to read. I might change the letter. It's actually not a very good idea. And now we kind of have an A. I'm going to adjust it a bit. I'm not very good at creating images, but you guys can go for yourself. That looks a bit like an A. Wow, that actually looks pretty cool, honestly. So I'm going to put that in the middle. Wow, that doesn't look like an A, but that logo looks really cool, to be honest. And you can change it around, obviously. But yeah, that logo actually looks really nice. You can add different things as well. Shapes, arrows. I don't think you would ever use this or this or this. I think you should only use the shapes. These actually all kind of suck, so just use the shapes one. Some shapes I might recommend maybe is definitely squares. Where's the square? Just use a rectangle and maybe make it like a square. So how do you do that? You just go here, you just take that, and you fill that on the entire page. And now we have a square just like that. And try to zoom it out and still make it look like a square. I think that's the best option. Or you can also click Shift. So yeah, basically I forgot about the Shift. Make sure you click Shift so it obviously just looks good and looks like a perfect square. So yeah, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!